Today on How To Blinds, we'll be showing you how to replace a louver on your vertical blind. First, we'll show you how to replace a louver when you have a chain attached. Rotate the blind to an open position and find the louver you want to replace. Detach the clips on the chain from either side of the weights in the louver. Now we can unclip the louver from the carrier trucks in the headrail. And replace it with a new louver. Once clipped in, we can now reattach our chain. And your louver has been replaced. If you do not have a chain, all you have to do is unclip your old louver and attach a new one. And that's how you replace a louver in your vertical blind. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How To Blinds.